Hello and welcome, ladies and gentlemen. So as the title says, I'm making my own Battlegrounds game. As the wise man once said, every good thing starts with a new project. And that's exactly what I did. But now I need a game idea for the game. It won't be a game without it. I'm thinking of making like a Dan-to-Dan Battlegrounds game. The show is pretty popular nowadays, so it's perfect. I don't really have a name yet, so feel free to give me some name suggestions in the comments down below. All right, let's get to some progress on the game, shall we? So today, nothing special happened today except me borrowing Strongest Battlegrounds animations. It's just for testing. I will make my own ladder in the video. And also, I made this normal combat system that knocks you back at the third attack for some reason. Don't worry. I will realize it later on the video. Oh yeah, and the run animation is also stolen, borrowed. So, that's it for this day. So today is a special day, because I added destruction physics to the game. I found this cool module for optimized battleground destruction, so I added that to the game and set that up. It took a bit, but eventually got it how I imagined it to be. Unfortunately, that's it I could do for this day. I had to skip 2 days because of the other video I was working on before. It's out on the channel right now, so make sure to check that out after this video. So today I made the M1s looks cleaner and make the third M1 damage the wall when you hit one, of course. It's still third M1 that knocks you back. Still, I haven't noticed. That's it for the day. Oh, also that highlight effect is cool in my opinion. So today I ironed out the combat system and fixed a lot of bugs, and also no knockback on the third attack. And also added M1 cooldowns, also M1 string cooldowns as well. I had no idea those were a thing in combat system. And also added blocking to the game. That's kind of it I did this day. And added sound effects when you miss M1S and when you hit a M1. It's 22nd now, and I added front dashing to the game. It took a while to get it right, but after some time, I've got it how I want it to. Yes, you can curve your dash. That's part that took a bit. Get it perfect. And as you can see, I'm pretty bad at my own game. That's it for the day. My little brother Robix animate these side dash animations for the game. We got inspired from Friction Battlegrounds game that just dropped recently. They also made their first character from Dan to Dan, so we had play it. The game was pretty good and animations were clean, so we kind of copied their side dash style. And also I added them to the game and looks great so far. For dashing, all that is left is to add a back dash. So today I scripted down slam and the uppercut. It took a little while to get it to weigh. I wanted it, but eventually got it the how I want it to look. I'm still using the strongest battleground animations. Haven't added any sound effects yet. That's it for this day. So today, I added some smoke effects when you dashed aside and front, and also added sound effects to the down slams as well. Now it looking good so far. I also made a top bar button to choose characters and made a cool little animation for it. Yeah, it looks smooth in my opinion. That's it for the day. So today, my brother Robix Craft. You should definitely check out his channel, by the way. Hosted a small playtest to find some bugs. And it went very well. I mean, we didn't even spot a single bug. My scripting was perfect as ever. The game was too good. That Robix started playing Clash of Clans midway through the playtest. And also next time that we host some playtests, we will host it on my Discord channel that you should definitely join. I started fixing some small bugs and Robix was generous enough to make a BATTLEGROUNDS headquarters building to put into the game is totally sick. And also if you're wondering what BATTLEGROUNDS is, it's our game studio. We kind of release some random games here and there, so be sure to check it out. So here is a time lapse of Robix making the building. Enjoy. I think Robix cooked with the building. So that's it, we did that day. So today I did... And today I will... So, today I did... So, past few days I didn't had a time to, we are not gonna talk about it. Anyways, today I made this cool looking aura when you go ultimate for Okarun. I kept it very simple so it won't bother when you are playing it. Let me know if it's good or not. I'm thinking of remaking this, but that will have to come later. Also, Robix made this awakening animation for Okarun. It looks pretty sick, not gonna lie. I need to make some more VFX for this one, like charging up and maybe some impact frames when you go to the actual mode. And also, he made this cool idle animation when you actually go to the mode. I think he cooked with these animations. So guys, I think that's gonna be it for this video. I would love to add more to this, but I sadly have to upload a new video. And make sure to check out all the links in the description, and also leave a like for the boy that helps me a lot. And with that being said, see you guys soon. Peace.
Words like tidal waves will sweep me off my quiet caves and count my fireplace and tell me